Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing Kindergarten Math with Confidence. We've been using this curriculum with our 5-year-old, and I'm really excited to share my thoughts with you. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with Math with Confidence in any way. I want to offer you my honest opinion to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with an overview of the curriculum. Kate Snow designed this curriculum for kindergarten-aged children, typically around 5 to 6 years old. It includes one subject, math, and covers foundational topics such as number sense, basic addition and subtraction, shapes, patterns, measurement, and calendar skills. This curriculum is about $45 to $50 depending on where you purchase it and can be found online. One of the strengths of this curriculum is its almost open and go lesson format. I love how each day is clearly laid out with scripted instructions, making it easy to follow without much prep. Another strength is the hands-on activities included in almost every lesson. This has been really helpful for keeping my little one engaged and excited to learn math without relying solely on worksheets. I also appreciate the spiral review that builds in regular practice of previously learned concepts. This has made homeschooling more consistent and helped my little one retain what he's already covered. There are a few weaknesses to this curriculum, and one of those weaknesses is that some activities require household items that may not always be on hand. I found that I had to prepare or substitute some materials last minute, which added a little bit of stress on busy days. Another weakness is that it can feel a little bit repetitive at times. This was challenging because my little one almost lost interest when we revisited the same type of activity multiple days in a row. Lastly, there are not too many worksheets, only one per lesson. This could be a problem because sometimes we wanted to keep it going, but we would end up doing a whole week's worth of work. Overall, I believe this curriculum is a strong, play-based math program for young learners. I think it's a great choice for homeschooling parents who want a well-structured, hands-on, and easy-to-follow math curriculum. However, if you're looking for something your child can do more independently or that's more visually engaging, then this may not be the best choice for you. Thank you for watching my review of Kindergarten Math with Confidence. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you've used this curriculum before, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. See you next time.